With angel's voice, a ready tongue that never stumbles, with subtle words smoother than English craftsmanship, well placed, well spoken, beyond reproaches mumbles, better listen to without a cough than learn scholarship. With tears and sobs showing the pathway bright of Jesus Christ, which each one ought by right to hold as he for us would hold it to the end. So they go preaching how we may see God, my friend. If not like them, let us eat the good fresh cheese, soft curd, and the mortara so beaten that you would drink it down, and the fat sauce of a plump barnyard hen unstirred, and on the other side young green sauce with wheaten bread so brown. And wine no better could be found or had, whereby the French more easily go mad. If we're fine, living clothes, eating, sleeping in bed's bower, one conquers God, well can they conquer him in power? Just as those who drink the barley beer and sip it, and eat the bread of rye and of the husk of grain, and the broth of fat ox fills them with terror, they fear it, and oil's anointing they do not want, it is plain. Nor fresh fat fish from the fishery's own tower, nor broth nor sauce that sizzles by the hour. So I counsel him who in God has his hope's own flower, to pass by that feast if he can and not cower. Religion was by the first man undertaken, by folk who wanted no truce, nor noise, nor strife's dark hour. But the Jacobins after eating have no need to waken, but dispute of the wine which vintage has most power. And they have their court of pleas and legal arms, and he's a Waldensian who turns them from their charms, and men's secrets they desire to know and learn, so that they may the better make themselves feared in turn. Their poverty is anything but spiritual, guarding their own they take what is mine by theft. For many a robe woven of English wool's material, they leave the hair shirt, for it is too harsh to wear bereft. Nor do they share their draperies, cloth or hue, as Saint Martin did of old in all men's view. But the arms on which men used to make that stand to sustain the poor, they want it all in hand. If I were a husband, I would have a terror deep and strong, that a man unshod might follow my wife along the way. For she and he have robes of the same fullness all day long, and fire with grease can lightly catch, I say. Of beguines I would tell you nothing here, some are so swollen that they soon fruit and bear. Such miracles they work, I know this for clear and true. Of holy fathers, they can be the holy mothers too.